Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talking about the crypto, and this video is for especially crypto traders because we know about the crypto trading like Bitcoin, there is also their Ethereum and many other. But we need some powerful engine that can turn the market probability into real trading edge. That is possible now by Quantreef, and I am going to show you how actually this works in step by step. We will also see here 9-layer HTF engine that is for long or short edge probability, and there we will also show you this one engine is also for your trading experience that will give you as the best information that we need actually. And first of all, you have to come on this website, link in video description, and you have to create your account. For the account create, you have to fill this form that have some common information like your first name, last name, email address, unique username, password of 6 to 8 digit, and then you have to click on the create option after accept the terms and condition. After coming into the dashboard, where you can easily check out how much like are in the bullish, there you can easily check out from the 12,130 crypto. We have 30 in the bullish state. And next you can also check further. There are also 30 in the bullish and 24 sideways and 55 in the bearish. And this is still in the bearish market, but there is also one more thing that we can see. There is setup today. Like for the long, there is 66% for beat, 5 hours is 64, and if you come here top 5 by core market cap, then here is also near to bullish point. And we can check out the bullish market is here, like TRX 63% in a positive way. And if we are also going to select here, like Bitcoins, then you can also check here is Bitcoin in the bearish market. There is also 0.72% as positive result. There is long setup. We can easily check out the structure breakdown, and probability is 45%. If I am also going to open it as for the long, then you can easily check it is going to increase your worth, and it is also 45% that it is going to be in the bullish structure. And we can also check here is 73% hit. These are the probabilities on the base of this one. This can also be checked out. What are the decision brands? Like in I am also going to show you about this one. This great probability. That is 49%. And here you can also check out further. In the elevated sign, there is high conviction too. And this is not just here completed. You can easily check some market positioning. As in the Bitcoin, there is also retail accounts with the long volume, how much in a billion, and their people are also getting like they are buying the Bitcoin asset to their platform. Mostly important is also their liquidity. Like further, I will also show you about liquidity, but here you can also check out there are some data about the Binance, how much is the retail, and what are the whale accuracy. So this is going to be show you that people are getting their short trade. And there is also the number that have been shown. It will also give you understanding. But if you come here to check out in this spot as a liquidity border, then no doubt Bitcoin liquidation is also on the $64,000. So whales, big whales or market are also going to making money when it is going to high. As we know, that is Bitcoin is going to making high, and people get will buy, and they will start long trade. No doubt, and there will be some reward for them. And here you can check. There is also stop hunter eyes at the high risk, and this video is also for just educational purpose only. And there is this sport, it's also the probability result that you can check out right long where they have liquidated, and everybody understand that it is also easy way for the people who get when any retail investor will come on it. So let's see. First, they will go long or they will go for short, but they have liquidated these individuals. That has been given here in the form of graph. Here you can check out people are also in the ratio of 50-50 people are getting and selling at the same. There is also the price and at the resistance is 44%. It means people getting best prices now. Where is the best price? You can easily check out when you come in the chart analysis too. That is also given here as a short setup when you come, and you will also get all the data here. After getting the liquidity details, you can easily come in the live chart, and here is also like a magnet. And if you are going to check out the graph, it has already crossed $67,000. And further, you can also check out, it is also going to making another one. It can also, as people are getting the interest into it, it can show you positive result now. But it is based on the probability that is for the people and in their VWAP. That is also the large institutional crypto trading floor. And today's VWAP is on the big screen. Everybody know if they are buying below now, today average or above today average is going, no doubt, it is going to be like a good thing for the people who want to join. And in this way, you can also, like VWAP is here 64,440, like 65, and the AVWAP high is also given here. There are three values, but if you come in the H line, that is also go to show you that how it works and which is the value. So this is also the breakdown that you can check out, is also a good place where people can go for resistance, because this is a good chance to liquidate most of the individuals who are the short, because many people are getting entry for the long and they are buying the Bitcoin, and all upside short which will be liquidated at the price they have already mentioned here, 64,000 plus. And before they go more up, we can easily check out all the announcements here and their volume too. And further, you can also check out the details that is about like how the market works. There is a liquidation, people are coming into it, and if this coin is going to be up, it is going to help you more, like percentage wise. Definitely this is going to fill a new indicator for you. So I hope you understand everything, that how actually this is going to help you in the liquidation graph. In this, you can also check the main 2 points, little bit upside, and then decide where your coin is going to go up. And you can also check out further details in their graph too. That is going to help you in different categories wise. And here is also the great details. How much is upside, there is bullish, bearish, and many other pair are available. You can check different trade plan that you can take here with the V7. And this is going to be very supportive for you. There is per layer details, entry, there is also TP, SL, everything you can go for. Probability ladder is also going to show you on different TP1. That is also the target if you are going to choose any pair one of them, and it will also go to help you taking the long or short trades. So if you have any question or query related to this project, and you can also upgrade your account. For that, you can also check. I am going to using 7 days free, but monthly you can start with the just only like near to $20 just, and this is the Quantreef, my favorite project. That is my companion for my future. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. See you next week. Till then, take care.